Hi, welcome to episode 3, Bikepacking South America. Going to do the kit that I'm going to use for cooking and water next. Water's going to be an important point because of how much I'll need to carry with me, how much I'll drink, especially the amount I sweat if you know me. So here we go, I'll show you what I've got. So I bought 2 of these. It says 15,000 litres, simple thing. Put that in the water, suck through that end. Gives you clean water. There are other tubes to go with this. So put that. I'm going to take this as well as a bottle. I'm going to have that on attached to my bike. And then I've bought 2 of these. This carries 6 litres, fills up through here, and then you can do that. I'm going to tie that over the back possibly. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet. Doesn't weigh anything, so I'm not too bothered about it. If that one doesn't work, I've bought one of these in MSR, sorry. The last one was the Sea to Summit 6 litre. This is 6 litre, slightly different top on it, but it's exactly the same thing. Not got foil inside, and it can come out of that nozzle. So I've got those I can carry. That's 18 litres if I want to carry that. Okay, I also went for a Katadyn Pro, I think it's a Pro Explorer, I can't. Hiker Pro. So this again, you have a tube coming out of there. This switches round, and then you have a tube here. This should pop off now if I pump it. No. So you'll pump water in through here, dirty water, gets filtered through here, then out comes the top out of clean water. Again, I'll just fill the bags with it. I don't know when or where I'll get my water, so there'll be times when I need to get a lot of water. Tubes, keep the tubes separate. That's that. Cooking. I'll do this first before I get to probably my favourite bit. I went for a dual type stove. So this stove I can use either gas canisters or I can use liquid fuel. So this opens up. I've not tried it yet, so I'm a bit nervous to try it for the first time. I was hoping to get one in while I was here in Thailand, but I couldn't see a gas canister to test it. Fit the gas canister, light it, away to go. Cook my food on top of that. So for cooking on this, I've got this Sea to Summit foldable stuff. In here I've got all my pans. This is my plate here, so I'll show you my plate first. This also doubles up as a chopping board, which is quite good. Pops up like this, and I've got a bowl to eat out of, or a plate. I can use it as a plate or a bowl, it doesn't really matter. So I've gone for that. Then here, if I open this up, this has got everything inside it. This is so cool. So here's my frying pan, X-pan. I don't know how much I'll use this actually, to tell you the truth, because of being able to take meat and things like that. I don't think I'll get it a lot. So then I've got in here, we'll take these out and we'll just look at the pan first. So this is my pan. I think these are great. I'm a bit geeky with this. Now, I've got a big pan, do that. Also, this lid with the holes in it, it works as a strainer as well, which I think is really cool. So that's that. Put that away. Now, I love coffee and tea, so I got a kettle as well. So I've got that nice little kettle there, so I can make a cup of tea at night time, or boiling water for whatever I want to do. Then here's my cup. Again, silicone, foldable. Make my coffee. Can put a lid on it if I want to take it. You know, drink it later or something. So I think that's a really cool design. Doesn't weigh anything. I think that's less than a kilo. All of that gear, all of that Sea to Summit gear, and it packs away really nicely. I really hope it works as well, as good as it looks. This is the fuel container, and then I've got one last thing. One last thing, a bit of a luxury item, I suppose. This for the coffee maker. Coffee over there is amazing, isn't it? So I've got to have a coffee in the morning, and I normally drink cold brew, but I'll take this with me because I won't be able to make cold brew while I'm there. And I took to drinking coffee with honey lately, so I'll be drinking a load of honey. Okay, what I'm going to eat with, I've got these sporks from Sea to Summit. I've got 2 of them so I can scoop things and move them together. So you've got spoon, fork, and a serrated edge there for a knife. I'll get rid of that now because I don't need it. Also, I bought these came free. Bought them. These just to store some extra water. 3/4 of a litre can go in there, and they hang on, and then they've got a flip top that you can drink out of. So I've got 2 of these, and that one drinking vessel, and then the water storage. So that's all my kit for food. I need to buy a knife for chopping things up, and that's it really. That's my 3rd episode about cooking and eating. Peace out.